How to add games to Game Stick Lite 4K. In this video, I'll show you how to add games to Game Stick Lite 4K. So what you'll need would be your Game Stick Lite 4K, a USB flash drive or micro SD card, a PC or laptop, and game ROMs compatible with the emulators on your device. So the USB flash drive or micro SD card should be formatted to FAT32. Now, once you have all of this item, you can go ahead and proceed with the first step. So first things first, you need to check the supported formats. Most Game Stick Lite 4K devices support retro consoles like NES, SNES, Sega, Genesis, PlayStation 1, and Arcade. Make sure your ROMs match the supported formats. Now after this, you'll need to go ahead and prepare your USB or micro SD. Format it to FAT32 for compatibility and create folders for each console type. Copy ROMs to the USB or micro SD. Drag and drop your game files into the appropriate folders. Avoid zip folders unless required by the emulator. And that is how you can basically add games to Game Stick Lite 4K.